Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Orange color, purple color, red color, chocolate color, blue color, green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: square, heart, triangle, star, circle and rhombus. First we're going to draw the shapes. Square, next heart, next kids, triangle, next star, next kids, circle, next rhombus, now we're going to put the color. Green color, next red color, heart, next purple color, triangle, next orange color, star, next kids, chocolate color, circle, next blue color, rhombus, what we learn? We learn green color, square, red color, heart, purple color, triangle, orange color, star, chocolate color, circle, blue color, rhombus. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.